Why is she eating the lollipop so classy? So beautiful. Look at that pretty face. Say open, it's Dewey. Say it's Dewey.
No.
Oh, bye, Momon. I love you.
Bye, Risha.
Bye. Bye.
Yes.
Outfit is that?
It's the newest. It's called Sam.
What is that? That's Yeezy? Guys, when you get old, you're gonna see so much reality. I'm gonna show all those pictures in your graduation when you get married. All your booger and your. How can someone just sleep like this? Like, how? So she'll just laying down on top of you?
Yeah.
And just fall asleep?
Yeah.
Boy, watch it.
She's been asleep for like 10 minutes now.
Oh my god. So funny. How?
Shut the fuck.
How? Why kids are like that? She quiet. Why is she sleeping on the floor? She just went and sleep on the floor. Oh, Jesus Christ. Why do we? Salam ka sila, alam ka sila. Ew. That's
Sock drawers. What's a t-shirt drawer?
You're not big brain, Daddy.
You have good in your eyes. My baby with the long hair.
It's good, nice one.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, how is it?
It's good.
It's great or is it good?
It's good.
It's good. Legging season. Legging season. Legging season. Ovi, it will be the tight.
Oh, man, these are men's 32 heat. Why you
It's
got
tight.
men's? It's not tight. It's
tight.
It's heat pants.
You are in tight.
It's the thing that
You are in leggings.
one for now, boy. She comes in too hard.
I wish I know all of them. I wish I know. Jaloux, on est qui pas pour moi, qui j'en m'en fous, on est qui pas pour moi, moi mais on est qui pas pour moi. What kind of what is that? Does the Robux started? It's moving. You see me? I'm looking at you. You Robux. You. I'm looking at you. You. MC, I'm record you. Oh. So that's why we record you. Okay, bye. We did the first step. You know, there's no shovel with no music. You know I have to give you some music. Now let's see can take that shit out. Look at that this of you. Lady, best lady. Who va si te fongue up my That's my car. That's my car over there. That's my car. So I wonder, can I throw that in my car? Yeah, that's my car over there. So me, I'm thinking about how I'm gonna get, you see? I'm gonna get myself out of this shit over there. Tea time. Ginger tea. Difference, yo? Are you guys seeing the difference? Huh? Now let's stir. Goodness. You guys already know. You guys already know if you see that plate like this, I didn't make it. Okay? I didn't make it. The only reason we're plat salad because I'm a fucking lucky motherfucker. Not lucky, you're lucky. You're blessed for you to have a sister that make food for you so often. Oh my gosh, I love me.